Hey everybody, today on Henry's Tattoos, I'm going to show you how to make Egyptian Basbousa. Let's get straight into it.
Alright, so to make our syrup first, what I've got in front of me here is 2 cups of white sugar. We're going to top this up with 1.5 cups of cold water. And we'll add the juice of 1/4 of a lemon, along with 1 tablespoon of rose water. And we'll take this to the stove, and we just want to bring this up to the boil. Alright, so once that reaches the boil, we just want to gently boil this for around 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, so after about 5 minutes, we'll turn the heat off. And all we're going to do is just let this syrup cool down. So you can just leave it here, or you can put it into the fridge, up to you, while we work on the rest. So we're going to start by adding in 200 grams of salted butter into a bowl. I've just softened that up. And to this we'll add about 1 cup of Greek style yogurt, along with 1 cup of white sugar. And we're just going to beat this all together. Next we're going to crack in 2 whole eggs. And we'll add about 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 1.5 cups of fine semolina, and 1/2 cup of almond meal. Now at this point we'll also preheat our oven to 190 degrees Celsius. We're just going to mix this together on a low speed. Alright, so now I've just buttered a tray. This is about 33 centimeters by about 20 centimeters. And we're just going to pour this straight into it. And we're just going to flatten it all the way down, just so it's nice and level. Alright, so what we're going to do now is portion this out before we bake it. So I'm just going to cut straight through the middle like that. And again like that. And we're going to turn it around and go this way as well. And we're going to make squares. Now you can make any shape you like. You can do diamonds if you like baklava. That's just up to you. And what I'm going to do is place 1 blanched almond into the center of each one. Now to blanch almonds, simply just put as many almonds as you need with the skin on into some boiling water, leave it in there for about a minute, and you should be able to peel it straight off. Alright, so there we go. What we're going to do now is put it into the oven. This will take around 35 to 40 minutes to bake. Obviously we want a nice golden brown colour. Alright, so we're at the 35-minute mark and I just pulled it out. As you can see, it's done. We've got a nice golden brown colour. So all we need to do now is top this up with our syrup that we made. Just like that. That shouldn't be swimming in it, but you can put a bit excess because we want that all to soak up. So just let that sit there for a couple of minutes, let all of that soak in. Alright, and after a few minutes it should all be nice and soaked up. So what we're going to do is garnish this. So I'm just going to sprinkle some chopped pistachios on. Now don't put too much because we don't want to cover up the almond either. Just like that. So that's starting to come together very nicely. So we'll just let this sit here for around half an hour. We just want that all to be absorbed, and then we're ready to serve it. Alright, and that's how easy it is to make Egyptian Basbousa. Now storage wise, obviously because it's soaked it won't last as long, so it's best to consume this within a week. But do keep it airtight and in a cool dry place. I hope you liked that guys, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.